Now, Shobinski the player has just turned into a victim of Zethu's lies, and I'm having so much fun watching Homecoming recently. So, uShobana uqeda kuthola ukuthi uZethu has been lying to him all along, and I want to talk about that and more here in this video. But before going to the video, I would like to request you guys to like it, and if you subscribe to this channel, please do press the subscribe button. You can also show support by scrolling down this channel so that you can watch my previous videos, and I hope that you guys are going to enjoy watching this video. I know that when watching this, you guys might think that this is someone who've just seen a ghost. Kanti cha. uShobana nje lo bekade ezitshela ukuthi uyiplayer kanti kudlalwa yena. So what happened on the recent episode of Homecoming is that uShobana found out that uZethu has been lying to him all this time. So recently, Shobana asked Zethu if she's been dating someone during the time when they had broken up. uZethu said, "No, I've never dated anyone, my love. I've been waiting for you all along." Then boom, uZethu was on the phone with uMangcobo. Now she was telling uMangcobo that ubelene noShobana. So uMangcobo siyabuza ke ukuthi hawu ngithini indaba kaSifiso. Hayi, uZethu waphahluka, not knowing ukuthi uShobana is here watching her while she's speaking on the phone. Washo ukuthi hayi mina ngizithandela uSifiso nje kodwa ke sengiyenza ke noShobana sengifuna sisebenze, otherwise umuntu engimthandayo mina. Just imagine hearing that from kokuthi angazi, was uShobana really in love with uZethu or ubekade zame revenge? Mina I don't understand this whole thing, because uShobana ubekade ebhizi phansi phezulu nomngane kaZethu uLerato, and then wafika uZethu wabelana noZethu. So trying to understand what is really happening here. Was he trying to play uZethu or was he playing uLerato? What is Shobana's plan? Because I really don't understand at this point. Guys, do comment down in the comment section. Share your thoughts with Nina about this topic. And if you did enjoy content here on this video, please do like the video, subscribe to the channel if you subscribed, share the video on your Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, even on TikTok. And with all that being said, this is the end of this video. So ngiyabonga ukuthi nibuke, so bena sikhulume ku video landelayo.